Hey guys, Ben here with another micro lesson for you. Today we're going to be looking at Satisfaction by the Rolling Stones. It's a little bit different to the stuff we've done before this point. All the songs we've done previously have been chord based, you've been strumming chords, whereas this one is a riff. It's all based on one string, it's all based on the A string, the 5th string, and we are just going to be playing 2nd frets, 4th frets and 5th frets on the A string. So I kind of assign my 1st finger to any 2nd frets that come along, 3rd finger to any 4th frets that come along, and pinky to any 5th frets that come along. I don't use middle finger for any of this riff. So firstly, we're going to get our 1st finger, pop it on the 2nd fret on the A string. We're going to play it twice, and after we've played each note, we're going to cut it off. So we play it once, cut it off, play it again, and cut it off again. Like that. Okay? Then we're going to play it again, followed by a 4th fret on the A string with our 3rd finger. So 2, 2, 2, 4, like that. That's then going to be followed by a 5th fret on the A string with our pinky. Like that. We're then going to stay on that 5th fret on the A string with pinky and pick it twice again, quickly. Like that. That's then going to be followed by 2 4th frets on the A string with our 3rd finger. So we're moving from 5th fret with our pinky back down to 4th fret with our 3rd finger. Okay, we're going to play that twice. So 2, 2, 2, 4, 5, 5, 5, 4, 4. And then finally we're going to finish back where we started, which is 2nd fret on the A string with our 1st finger again. Like that. So to put it all together, it should sound like this. We've got 2, 2, 2, 4, 5, 5, 5, 4, 4, 2. And you can loop that round as it does in the song over and over again. There you go, that's how you play Satisfaction by the Rolling Stones. Good luck, and we'll see you next time.